Okay, so they've got some track equipment, maintenance of way equipment off to the siding here. You got the ballast regulator, and then you got your track stabilizer. These are parked in Andover, right after the interlocking on track 1, the siding track, after the crossover, so they don't use this track except for storage. So yeah, there's your ballast regulator right there, and your track stabilizer. Pretty long machine there. That thing's huge. It's got a nice walkway though. You can go right up the stairs. All this equipment looks brand new. It's in really nice shape. And then here we have the tamper. And I'm sure they're using all this equipment up at Sutton Street, Lawrence, right on the line there, where they're replacing the panels. So they'll probably be using this tomorrow up there. And yeah, so this is a tamper. Pretty good sized machine. I like the tinted windows. It looks pretty cool. But yeah, we got some maintenance away equipment we're checking out, and we want to thank you again for tuning in to Trains R Us New England.